In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new person to a Teams chat in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful when you're already chatting with one or more colleagues and realize someone else needs to be part of the conversation without starting a completely new chat from scratch. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams, either in your browser or in the desktop app. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the window and click on the chat icon. This is usually represented by a speech bubble and takes you to all of your recent one-on-one and group conversations. Next, from the list of chats that appears, select the conversation where you want to add a new person. Just click on the chat name or the participant you're already talking to. The chat window will open on the right, showing your message history. Now look towards the upper right area of the chat window. You should see a small icon that looks like people or a group of heads and shoulders. This is the button you use to manage participants in the chat. Click on that people icon. When you click it, a small panel will open. In that panel, look for the option that says Add People and click on it. This tells Teams that you want to bring someone new into this particular conversation. You'll now see a field where you can type in contact details. In this box, start typing the email addresses or phone numbers of the people you want to add. As you type, Teams may suggest matching contacts from your organization's directory. You can click on those suggestions to save time, or continue typing the full email address or number if the person isn't suggested automatically. Take a moment here to double check what you've entered, especially if you're adding external contacts from outside your organization. Make sure you're using the correct work email or the right phone number so the invitation goes to the right